Should pop-up coffee stands offer free coffee samples? Yes, they should offer small, carefully planned samples because tasting can attract new customers, build trust, and increase sales when the cost is controlled. A free sample lets people try the coffee before spending money, which is especially helpful when your stand is new or your menu uses unfamiliar flavors. Keep the sample very small, such as a few sips, so customers understand the flavor without using too many beans, milk, cups, or staff minutes. Offer samples during busy periods, local events, or slower times when you want more people to stop. Choose one featured drink instead of offering every option, because too many choices can slow service and make preparation harder. A useful approach is to give the sample with a short explanation, such as saying that the coffee has a chocolate flavor or comes from a particular region. People are more likely to remember a drink when they learn one simple detail about it. One lesser-known benefit is that sampling can reveal what customers actually like, so record which drinks receive the strongest reactions and use that information when planning your menu. You can also connect the sample to an easy next step, such as offering a small discount on a full-size version purchased that day. One common mistake is giving away samples that are too large, so keep each portion tiny and measure it consistently. Another mistake is sampling coffee that is old, lukewarm, or poorly prepared, because one bad taste can damage trust. Serve samples fresh and at the proper temperature. Some owners also assume every visitor wants a sample, but pressuring people can feel uncomfortable, so ask politely and accept a quick no. Be aware of allergies and dietary needs when using milk, flavorings, or toppings, and clearly explain what is in the sample before handing it over. Finally, do not judge the idea only by how many samples you give away. Compare sample costs with full-size purchases and returning customers. If you enjoyed the video, check out our online resources that can really help get your business started in the description below.